Rồi le pai te zo se na bon chawin babom thai ko isen la hin kan lim kin he jingka lang session achun average topic in a pantawin ni halang hin aban na zum itin formula pave apoi morning jat chum chum in sei tawin hi ho base achun question ni ena solve be itin find the average of all odd numbers 1 to 100 jingka lang yang imbo tawin revise ka bol itin 1 to 100 la achun odd number izan dem even to odd hi alternate na chi na khat even hi la khat odd abana even odd that means 1 to 100 sungahin odd number so nga ding even number so nga ding na ahile some formula chi piham some formula chu odd number ding achun n square again na average ding achun n square divided by sum divided by number of terms na n chi pham the number of terms number of odd numbers from 1 to 100 to 50 na ahile next question ahin even number from 1 to 100 mama yan lang ile a formula to n plus 1 na average formula to n plus 1 divided by number of terms n plus 1. How many even numbers are there from 1 to 100? 50 na. 50 means 50 plus 1 to 51 na. Abanahin, the average of certain first consecutive odd numbers is 60. Find their sum na. 60 a ki p hi ep ham itile average. Ep average ham itile certain kiti the number of terms ase lo na. Certain ati thos izan hi ki sai chen lo. First consecutive odd numbers. Odd numbers sum to some formula 11 average ati na. Al average for odd number sum ading achun n square chula na ahile average ading achun n square divided by n to n heta chu itu 60 heti find their sum na number of terms is 60 tinatabang ta ahile sum a formula ipm n square na 60 into 62 3600 na abanahin the average of certain first consecutive even numbers is 101. Find their sum. Si event ta na. A formula si ipiham some formula to n plus 1 ta na. And the average to n plus 1 plus 1. So lai mo hin 101 ting na. I'll sum to n plus 1. N is at data 100 minus 1 to 100 na 100 into 101 101 2 times 0 chinging ta na abanin basic question khat na bol kare ten jita bang question hi examine hong kitong mai the kitong kyan lo mai the previous question wang cha hil na ai na ipidinga ila o ham itile a basic concept hen adingin apoy mo na average formula sum average equal to sum by n kiti concept mi hiat thim ni min apoi moi ai la question chun average of m numbers is n square which is average first average ita na and that of n numbers is m square second average first average second average na at in and then the average of average sum hat kitong kit na first average to first average to n square ta the average of m numbers m hi ipihamitile number of terms tai n gitipai number of terms na n square su ipihamitile hilahi average equal to sum by number of terms sum to ewan s1 de tawite sum me ki pilo na number of terms to m chula na abane hin and that of n numbers m square sum to a ki pilo jin s2 tiwite number of terms to n numbers ati that means n na atile ilahin the average of m plus n numbers na ilahin sum na holding a hele average into number of terms na n square m ilahin s2 to m square n first sum second sum ite ni hi average no order ta average of m plus n numbers ipiritam 10 hi nagop ni sum by number of terms na sum chu ipihamitile first sum plus second sum na s1 plus s2 divided by number of terms so iche hi number of terms jan ham m na iche by number of terms jan ham n hi ta so ahi le s1 to n square m plus s2 to m square n divided by m plus n nm mn common la to la chun m plus n de na ai lo le n plus m de chun m plus n le m plus n cancel la chun mn na mn chu ipihamitile average of m plus n numbers ta so aban hin concept tha khat na sim ki ni average of multiple of any number bang chu ti hin ki petele na ti hin ki pe hen lang average ki tong tele na itin na boarding ita azo wachun natural number 1 apana ki pan formula is you I lo le 1 natural number to square pa ki pi I formula is na I lo le q pa ki pi I formula is no even series yong formula is no or series yong formula is no even series pa square pa yang formula is no or series pa square pa yang formula is no na chi hi nyaw khat different je ta na aku ti le vele chun what do you observe in this series na vele chun 3 multipliers okay jo na 313 326 339 3412 ahi le tabang condition ho ahin 3 common la do ti chuna 3 common la do le chun average na hol na dinga chun sum na hol phat ngai chuna up to n ahi le chi chuna that means 1 2 3 4 natural number series so ta chuna natural number series are average formula chi ham sum formula to n plus 1 by 2 so ahi le average formula to n plus 1 divided by 2 any number na any series adding a formula chi that means a common term pas la do le natural number series na so natural number series so formula ne apply di average of odd multiple of any number na suppose a है lang abanin 3a है lang 5a 7a series hi tabang hen tahen lang average na holding a hile a common na la do kiding aban le 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 na up to n terms I the formula IPD term odd series adding an average to n sila na a formula to chi that means series a uma odd series ahi ahile a common term pala to in lang natural number series pa the formula apply so isma bang chun average of even multiple of any number na 2a 4a 6a 8a a series hi a can be any number na a to 1 hi yan lang ile 2 4 6 8 ile ta 2 yan lang le 4 8 12 pa chi le na ahi le tapang condition ha hin average to a common la do ahi le 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus infinity up to n terms average formula si pidita a common la do inatin the formula for average of even sequences n plus 1 sita sila na sita ahile chi khabe copy kit inatin abana heji formula ho bi sa hin question solve kit mitai ahile question be 11 find the average of first 21 multiple of 3 multiple kitita average of multiple of any number it depends any number to 3 tas ahile first 21 multiple of 3 c ppm 3 6 3 2 are 6 3 3 is 9 3 4 is 12 tai hung chi 18 na ahile iti bowling with tam na ajowa ise ma bangabin 3 multiple so 3 multiple hele 3 common in la do le chun 3 1 is 3 3 2 is 6 abana plus in ki bawdi chuna average hold odi fi chun average to sum divided by number of terms sum to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus infinity is that chun first 21st term na chi first term so first term here achai na pa hi 21st term so na izat hi hol do ngai lo chu a hi le la hi 21 position chan ni chu na a le vele chun asung lang hi vele chun natural number sequence ta chu 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means we can apply the formula for natural sequence na a formula chu sum no holding a hi le n plus 1 divided by 2 na average a hi ta ja chun number of terms khat divided by n hi a le ki cancel de ta na hila hin n value chi bi ham de le 21 chu 21 plus 1 divided by 2 21 plus 1 chu 22 by 2 322 by 2 hello 3 to 11 na 3 into 11 to 33 na ai le aba na hin find the average of first 20 multiple of 10. Average of first 20 multiple of 10. First 20 multiple of 10 until 10 1 is 10, 10 2 is 20, 10 3 is 30. Sequence starts in series na. First 20 until a last chain chi pi na ham until 10 into 200, 20 to 200 na. Ai le he chi chu 10 multiple of 10 a hi le 10 common ala to chun 10 1 is 10, 10 2 is 20, 10 3 is 30. Average of all these chun sum bol ma chun na plus 20 chan na ai le chi hi ep sequence ke ta natural number sequence na average no holding ai le n plus 1 divided by 2 10 n value chu 20 na that means 20 plus 1 to 21 by 2 2 5 is 10 5 1 is 5 5 3 is 10 105 na aban hin find the average of first 50 odd multiple of 5 first odd multiple of 5 dibute find the average of first 50. That means there will be 50 number of terms of 50 teenage oh number of EPP हम तेरे odd multiple of 5 ना first of all 5 5 हम सो odd ला ना आई ले अबान ही 5 1 is 5 5 2 is 10 5 3 is 15 5 4 is 20 5 5 is 25 ताही चीज़ जो अहिन ला odd bola na odd ila dile chi cancel ding 5 15 25 si ta so is that na 50 position chana na chi first position so that means 5 common ala do origin 5 1 is 5 5 3 is 15 5 5 is 25 na so ang cheating ahile average na holding ahile 5 a sum to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 50 position na first 50 I I left 5 n tilde if sequence tam odd sequence average so n so na that means 5 into n so 50 so number of terms 50 teenage na 250. Find the average first 25 even multiple of 10. First 25 even multiple of 10. That means first 25 means number of terms to 25 reading multiple of 10 na 10 1 is 10 10 2 is 20 10 3 is 30 tai reading so even multiple atile multiple of 10 first 25 even multiple of 10 ada bona even hindi tine jila na even so ke jila ai le 10 common la to le 10 1 is 10 10 2 is 20 10 3 is 30 25th position sa natin so na average kita 10 natural sequence na average na holding ale n plus 1 by 2 n value is anam 25 plus 1 divided by 2 26 by 2 212 2 3 or 6 130 na ay lalahin tilhat ga verify itin even multiple of 10 atiwa ehon 10 20 30 la ule ne khat aboy na khat ipiam tele even hi pan sa da le first 25 multiple of 10 tile 10 20 30 ma ma hung ching so na ai le odd multiple of 10 hung tile the tilo so na odd multiple of tilo zia chun laya ila diu khat chu even multiple atile isilang pa sa ina login isilang pa na 2 4 6 tipahin tipahin law itin na 20 40 60 ta chỉ phải na đã leo hen formula 2 sum of event series adding a chun n plus 1 average to number of terms khat ka la chun n plus 1 10 into n plus 1 chu n chu number of terms to 25 na 260 chỉ cho aba nihin concept poi mo ta khat na jil kin hin ichi mains 2015 kita mahin na the average of 5 consecutive odd numbers is 151 find the largest number nga apin na number nga sungahin abo na hin odd number sa hiuhin odd na ahile average api chu average ki pi chu 151 chu average hin na and number nga tain na average chu 151 chu ipiham odd mama chu na odd mama a hi le find the largest number hi che ho number sunga hin largest number consecutive mean omet hi cho consecutive means khan he 1 a hi le 3 5 7 9 9 the largest hi na abona consecutive che na a hi le a largest number pen chu ep ham ti ai le hi che hin he concept he thim na ding wa hin let us go to simple terms it's bang sequence te consecutive cho na a hi le vele chun abona hi odd so ke cho 1 no odd 3 odd 5 odd 7 odd 9 odd ai le hi chin average hoi chi average hi ta average su calculate ngai ngai lo chu lai a lai lai ta hi average hi chi pa calculate na 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 divided by 5 9 plus 7 16 plus 5 21 plus 3 24 plus 5 25 25 divided by 5 to 5 5 5 na alai lai ta pa chu yeng chu average na a hi le hi chalai 5 su ep number odd ma chu ale la ya average ki pa yang odd ma chu a hi le hi chi hi 151 will also be among those numbers among those 5 numbers na that means 151 dong chu hi chi number hol a chu khat hitting a hi ti a hi le hi chalai 5 itiu chu vele chun ni chu 5 sanga thom ni ding another ni chu 5 sanga lien le ti ne chu ai le line 5 bang a hi le 5 numbers bang a hi le number ni chu 15 sanga 151 sanga thom ding number ni chu 151 sanga tam le ti ne na a hi le consecutive ati ki chu consecutive means 5 masanga chun thum ding thum masanga chu khat di alternate khana chi chu na 5 3 1 ti chu a hi le lai ve le chun 151 masanga ipium dam odd number chu 149 na 149 masanga ipium dam 147 a hin la ama wan auto chu largest number ki tong na largest number ki do le lang lang ho hi chi ngai te lo largest number pai ki dong na 151 bana ep dam 151 155 average 151 so suppose average average even number ki pe hen lang hele condition ta chom so about an average of three consecutive odd numbers is 1 2 1 find the smallest number na ai le to our concept is ma bang chun bracket le chun number thum heading abon y odd number heading na consecutive means to asi ta when 1 hi le 3 3 ibana 5 ti na ai le average pen hi odd ma na odd hi le 1 2 1 will also be among those numbers na ai le 1 2 1 thum hi dinga jong hi number thum la chu khat hi dinga average hi dinga khat chu sangai new ding khat chu sangai le ni ti nei chu na ai le 1 2 1 sanga new zo abana odd number chi pham 119 na abana chu -2 plus 2 na 1 1 1 2 3 find the smallest number smallest number chu 119 ta cho abanin average of four consecutive numbers is 200. Find the largest number ली हिता ना number ली हिया average 200 की पता आई बंगा number वाचा बोना हिदे की चीज़ that means 200 won't be among those numbers ना 200 जो हिच number वाला आज पंगलो रे तीन ना that means number ली जो number ली हिले 200 सांगा from जो number ni na la ding 200 sanga tam zo number ni na la ding ti ne jo 200 sanga hom zo ot chu ipiham 119 na abana 117 200 sanga tam zo ipiham 201 203 na find the largest number li chi average apang lo number hola apang lo so na hi je chun atumin so chu na largest number chu 203 dita chole ban in question number 23. The average of 5 consecutive even numbers is 150. Na, ahile average of 150. Number ko jong chu even number ahile 150 will be among those numbers na. Average of 150 so 150 chu number nga la a chu khat ahi ding le. Hisanga niaw zo ni umding hisanga lin zo ni umding. So that total will be 5 na consecutive hi je chun 150 masang chana ipim ding ham 148 na abanin 146 150 zo chun 152 152 zo win do I see 154 na find the difference between the largest and the smallest number. Largest to 154 ya smallest to 146 na a difference is jana 146 154 minus 146 to 8 na answer is 8 ta ahile tu hin abanin 4 consecutive even number na 4 consecutive even number average to 99 ji piham tile ta to number ho chu even number here average 99 or ahile 99 will not be among those even numbers na average 99 jo ahile number ho chu epp ning tam na total as 4 jo total as 4 hile 99 sanga hom jo ni hitting 99 sanga tam jo ni umki di tin jo EVP ning 99 sanga hom jo chu 98 na abana is at 96 98 bana chu 100 bana 102 na li ta jala na 4 consecutive even number of khat ni thumli li a hi le sum. Find the sum of the largest and the smallest number. Sum ji jala ding 102 plus 962 8 9 198 na tu hin abanin question poimot concept poimot akhat na jil kin ichi p sequence samiti le natural number sequence na dele chun 1 apa na 3 hi average is anam average ti phale akim khat tine to khat tabam na average calculate nga ile sum divided by number of terms. Sum is anam 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 6 divided by number of terms so 1 2 3 3 2 is 6. That means average 2 is na average 2 here 2 hin ehon number ni ha be uite na lai san 5 san la uite 5 san la lewen average is on data 5 plus 4 9 9 plus 3 12 12 plus 2 14 14 plus 1 15 15 divided by is on ham 5 numbers one na 1 2 3 4 5 3. That means average tha to 3 hita average tha to 3 here average is on kalem average is on kalam khana kal so na ale veke leven tu hin li da bia wite khat ni thum li hop sa bia wite thum hop sa wite sa wale thum hop sa leven average is at ta average so 6 plus 5 11 plus 4 15 plus 3 18 19 20 21 21 divided by number is anam so na 6 3 6 plus 5 11 plus 5 11 plus 4 15 18 19 20 21 divided by 6 3 2 or 6 3 7 is 21 7 by 2 is 3.5 na 3.5 so ale average is ana kalam alai panahin 1.5 akal so na ahi level chun ama sa pahi number ni extra ila be so number ni extra ila be ule average khana kal so that mean ake khana kal so ni na hala be le ni ke khat na ni ke khat ahi le average khana kal so na ahi le la hin thum na la be so number thum na la be le average 1.5 1.5 to ep thum ke khat ma so na 1.5 to half of 3 langa hin 2 extra na la bele average su khana kal so langain thum na la phe na hin average su 1.5 kal so that means ake khana kal lang ake khana kal that means in natural sequence na natural number sequence if x numbers are added, the average increases by x by 2. Now, x can be any number. X bangtula hi 2. Ni ilabe le average jana kalam half of 2. Chu khana kalta na. Ai le line thum ilabe pha na bahin average jana kalam 1.5 ha kal so 1.5 chu thum ke khat so half of 3. Ai le li la le chun 7 chani la le chun average jana kal da ham li na la le nia kal de average nia kal ti ne so na chu he nu nga in aban ki hin 2 4 6 8 10 even sequence ho na 2 4 6 average ya dam 6 plus 4 12 yeah 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 2 12 12 divided by 3 to 4 so na ahile 2 hin ni chan ge that means ni hop sa be ni no hop sa be le average jata 10 plus 8 18 plus 6 24 plus 4 28 to 9 30 30 divided by 1 2 3 4 5 30 divided by 5 so 6 so na 6 average is ana kalam niya kal so izat ni kala be so ni kala be le niya kal ta na ai le tu hin thum la be ho na thum ho be ho na ati la chu lai chan bo cho thui thum ho be ho te average ja de ta total जो लाई चल 30 था ना 30 plus 12 so 42 ना 42 divided by जन हम 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 6 7 is 42 average 7 था जो average 7 ही ले इजा average ही जाना कर हम थुमा कर जो थुम कहा बेले थुमा कर जो ना ni kha bele niya kal so that means ni na bele average niya kaling thum na bele average thuman kal de na ahile hichi hi chi event sequence so na event sequence ya tu hi on odd sequence da ta hote 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 1 3 5 average is dam 5 plus 3 8 8 plus 1 9 9 divided by 3 to 3 is lai pai ta na ai le tu in on number ni ho sa be hote average za ta chan ge chu 9 vele chun layang vet yeng thei ta chu 5 khat ni thum li nga alai lai ta chu 5 so na tang la yeng thei ta chu average 5 hai le izana kal average 5 tu a hin khat hab bia hote khat ni thum hab bia ta na average za tam 1 2 3 4 5 6 11 plus 9 20 27 plus 5 32 35 36 36 divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 ta na average 6 so ahile vele chun lai ni na la be ahile average ana kal ni a kal so thum na la be thum na la le average thuma kal so na even pa to for pa concept ke bang natural sequence pa a concept ga chu x by 2 a kal so na akuti le na even to case x numbers are added then the average increase by x natural number sequence achun x number are added then average increase by half of x hichi tu email chi unai cho hichi base achun question that is solve the complex that chum is solve the du tai ti ahile question to a concept is a base achun question ana school ne average of 21 continuous natural numbers is 99 average of 99 hati tas na if the next 15 numbers are included find the new average one 21 chan so na ahile 21 chan chu average chu iza hetia 99 so if the next 15 numbers are included na $50 number so ma hi ki habbe so aki habbe a hi le average tha chu ida di tam na ai le natural sequence ha chu ep se je bem ti le 15 numbers are include be le average tha pa chu a1 ile average tha pa chu 99 plus half of how many numbers are included na half of 50 to 25 is that 9 plus 5 14 9 10 11 12 124 I le abanin average of 31 continuous odd numbers 31 continuous natural number here on odd numbers is 51 find the new average na 31 continuous odd numbers odd numbers ati chu na 1 3 5 7 9 average is hetiam 51 so ai le next 100 numbers number zakat kya be le ti cho kya be le average tha hi izat li tam na izat li tam ti le 51 plus aki hab za chu kya bi average tha kya be ta that means 151 beta na average so abanin average of 226 ya 227 oh 51 continuous even number is 150 if the next 40 even numbers is included if the next 40 even numbers are included find the new average na ai li tu chun tu hin a figure draw khel la hin bol ta hin average of exam pha de iti bowling ham na a figure draw khel nai ro average of 51 continuous even numbers is 150 first average 150 ta so the next 14 numbers if 40 even numbers are included find the new average now 40 kya so 40 numbers are included ile new average to plus 40 yung ta sa na 150 plus 40 ti chu yata 190 yung lo na a concept simple hin even to sequence ani phale new average su iza dam tile a number extra akela za chu new average a ke hak tha dinge tile hin it's natural number a in pha ani phale half of how many numbers are more included chipian chu hin a khi na chana chan tu ni adingen chan chu na nga mitin jing hi le hi chi session hi aban in zone ki ding wa hin je chun ana sim ha na ben lang practice ana ball hat le chun chukit le class a session ichi ho hi ana ve hat le chun na ho yong na speed no improve in minute ne exam hat le 5 minute invest na ball chu 30 second invest na ball chu ding hi ti chu ka sei mo mai tu ni adingin chan chui tan te ki pai